to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Belgaum transporters to stop goods transportation to Goa from Sunday. Prices of vegetables and fruits might inflate. Government firm on its decision on entry tax. Major fire breaks out at Dr. Rege's laboratory, incurs loss up to 90 lakhs. Reason behind fire unknown. No Lokayukta amendments in this session. Sources confirm that work on amendments yet to begin. CM had promised change in this session. Kala Academy blacklist SNK events and Shaunak Abhisheki's Tarangini Pratishthan for mismanagement during Asha Bhosle's show. Decides not to do shows in collaboration with these organizations. And late Mathani Saldana was against MOPA as second airport, says Prajal Sakardande. Opposed Navy's presence at Daboli. Prajal's book on Mathani to be released on 27th April. Now the news in detail. The agitation against entry tax in Goa is now heating up. Goa government is firm on its decision, whereas transporters from Belgaum have decided to completely stop transportation of essential commodities to Goa from Sunday. Kolhapur transporters have already stopped their transportation. They have warned not to allow goods vehicles from Goa to enter into their markets. Goan traders opine that it is a pressure tactic by transporters from neighbouring states.
Tussle between Goa government and transporters from Maharashtra and Karnataka began after introduction of entry tax on vehicles from neighbouring states. They have warned not to supply goods to Goa if the decision is not reverted. All India Motor Transport Congress has asked transporters to stop goods transport to Goa. Kolhapur transporters have stopped the transportation, while Belgaum transporters will remain off from Sunday. Goa received vegetables from Belgaum on Saturday. Prices of vegetable have seen a slight increase. However, the prices might shoot up from Sunday if Belgaum transporters stop their goods transportation to Goa.
समर्जन सामके शॉर्ट जातले. तुमचा अरेंजमेंट कसो आसतलो? अरेंजमेंट नात न्ही. ते गाडये भितर येना जाल्यार अरेंजमेंट नात. इवन तेंच्यांनी सांगला ट्रेन इवन बसार बसून हाडपाक दिना म्हणून. भाजी वाडपाची शक्यता आसा? भाजी तेन्ना वाडपाची प्रश्नच येना न्ही.
Vegetable traders from Goa find that entry tax burden can be passed on to the buyers. It's just a pressure tactic by the neighbouring states' transporters.
टोल आम्ही गाडयेक 500, 250, 1000 भरता म्हणून त्यांका आम्ही काय रेट कमी करना. ते 500 रुपया, 250 रुपया किंवा 1000 रुपया देऊन भाजी आम्ही गोंयान हाडली जाल्यार ती भाजी आमकां गोंयकारांक म्हारग खावची पडटली. ही आमची तयारी आसा. हेतून खंय कितें बिगाडला म्हाका कळोंक जाय. भाजी म्हारग आमकां गोंयकारांक खावची पडटा त्यामुळे आम्ही आंदोलन करू शकना. हे कितें रे बेळगांवचे लोक आंदोलन करता, कोल्हापूरचे लोक आंदोलन करता, हेंकां करपाची गरज ना. खाता आम्ही म्हारग, आम्ही आंदोलन करपा जाय.
But transporters are anxious as other states too can follow the same procedure.
याच्या पाठीमागचा उद्देश काय? हीच प्रथा, हीच पद्धत दुसऱ्या राज्यातून घेतली जाऊ शकते ती घेऊ नये एवढ्याकरता आता इतर राज्यात कुठला एंट्री टॅक्स नाहीये. आता तुमच्या गोवा राज्यात येण्याकरताच एंट्री टॅक्स लागू करताय.
MP Francisco Sardina has requested Goa to abolish entry tax. He says prices of essential commodities can increase. He also feared that it will hamper domestic tourist flow in future.
What we have to look into the interest of this state, for instance, this is a touristic state.
Then do you think that this will decrease tourist coming?
You just wait and see.
एखादो असो बोबाळ जालो आनी स्ट्रायक म्हणून सजमा बंद जालो जाल्यार एखादो वेळ एका दिसाक लागून हाचो फरक पडोंक शकता. दुसरे सायडीक अशें सजमा जालें सुद्दां जाल्यार आमी कॉर्पोरेशनान बाय ट्रेन भाजी हाडून सप्लाय करपाची तयारी दवरलेली आसा.
ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.
Major fire at Dr. Rege's laboratory at Kunda Industrial Estate has recorded a loss to the volume of 90 lakh rupees. The incident occurred on Friday night. Laboratory was closed when it was engulfed in fire. Fire officials who were dosing the fire said that reason behind the fire is not known. Meanwhile, a carpentry unit in Silli was engulfed in fire on Saturday. Estimated loss of 2,50,000 rupees is reported by the owner.
It was one of the biggest fire incidents of this year. Dr. Rege's laboratory, which was engulfed in fire on Friday evening, has estimated a loss close to ₹1 crore. Firemen officials had a tough time to control the fire due to heavy stock of soya beans in the lab. They have also found 3 gas cylinders.
Almost lost zala. Exact तुमकां आमी सांगूंक शकना पण approximately ताजो cost म्हणटा तो 70 to 80 lakhs म्हणटा तो loss म्हणटा total.
तुम्ही ओनराक
कॉन्टॅक्ट केला. आमी ओनरासून घेतले. तो डिटेल्स म्हणटा एक्झॅक्ट आपूण तुका सांगूंक शकना. एक्झॅक्ट आतां फाल्यां आपूण तुका डिटेल्स दिता म्हणटा तो.
बट अंदाजे 70 to
80 lakhs म्हणटा तो. फायर आसा ह्यो मेजर असल्या कारणान आमी फोंड्या फायर स्टेशनाक एज वेल एज ओल्ड गोवा फायर स्टेशनाक इंटिमेट केलें की आमकां रिइन्फोर्स जाय म्हणून आनी जे सायड बाय सायड आमी फायर फायटींग चालू दवरली तेतूंत आमकां फोंड्या फायर ब्रिगेडीक कंटिन्यूस 4 ऑर्डर टेंडर लागले पुणे फायर स्टेशनान 4 प्लस तशेंच डेनोरा कंपनीचो आमी डायरेक्ट लायन घेतली म्हणजे ऑर्डर सप्लाय विथ द हेल्प ऑफ तेंचे टँक हायड्रन रिले करून ओल्ड गोवा गाडयेक हे केलो आनी तातूंतलो प्रॉडक्ट आशिल्लो तांचो प्रोटीन प्रॉडक्ट तो फायर फायटींग करना थंय 2-3 वेल्डिंग मशिनाचें काम चालू आसलें वेल्डिंगाचें मशीन दिसलें मे बी चान्सीस आहा कितें तो वेल्डिंगाचो स्पार्क थंय जर पडत कित्याक आतां टोटल एके सायडीन आहा ते पुट्टे पेपराचे शिपर्स दवरलेले आसा तेका शिपराक जर खंय तरी इग्निशन उरत जाल्यार मे बी चान्सीस जावंक शकता आनी ताका लागून उजो पेटोवंक शकता तो प्रोटीन प्रॉडक्ट आसल्या कारणान तेजें इग्निशन आसा तो फास्ट जाता रोखडोच फास्ट उजो पेट्टा ते चान्सीस ना सो तेजेर कितें फोम लेयर मारलें म्हणल्यार चान्स ना तेजेर फोम उरपा ना चान्सीस.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
The much-awaited Lokayukta amendments might not see light of the day during this session of the Assembly. CM had assured to rectify controversial clauses from the Lokayukta Bill 2013 during the budget session, but now sources have confirmed that it won't happen in this session. Sources claim that draft required to be tabled in the House is still not complete.
Civil society members and Aam Aadmi Party had strongly opposed few clauses from the Lokayukt Amendment Bill 2013. Supreme Court Advocate Prashant Bhushan had also pointed out few flaws in the Lokayukt Bill. Bhushan had also submitted a draft of Lokayukt amendments to the Chief Minister. Governor Bharat Virvanshu has already reverted back the Lokayukt draft to the government. CM had assured the House to make changes in the bill during this session. Only 7 days are left for the Assembly session to get over. Governor has objected on the deem rejection clause and penalty slabs for fake complainants. CM had assured to bring necessary amendments in the present Lokayukt bill during a debate with civil society members on Prudent. But now, the possibility looks bleak as only 7 days are left for the budget session to get over. Bureau Prudent.
Kala Academy has decided to blacklist SNK events and Tarangini Pratishthan from performing or organizing any kind of events in the academy. Chairman of the academy Vishnu Wagh has alleged that both organizations have mismanaged Asha Bhosle live concert few days back. Wagh exposed that event companies printed 3,000 tickets when the capacity of the open auditorium is only 1,500. Omkar Farari reports.
दोन्ही जे हे आसात संस्था तांकां आमी ब्लॅक लिस्ट केला henceforth we will not allot any booking to them. हाजे नंतर आमी रिकन्सिडर केले शिवाय तांकां दिवपा ना. दुसरे त्या संस्थांच्या बरोबर आमी पळय कांय कोलॅबरेटीव प्रोग्राम करता इतर संस्थांच्या बरोबर दॅट ऑल्सो वी विल नॉट बी डुईंग इट. ह्या लोकांनी स्पॉन्सरांक पयलीं लेटर दिल्या थंयच्यानूच सगळें चिटींग स्टार्ट. स्पॉन्सरांक लेटर दिलें थंय तांकां सांगलां म्हणजे स्पॉन्सरशीप मागपाक की कार्यक्रमाक 5,000 तरी लोक आसतले म्हणून मिनिमम म्हणजे 3,000 लोक हे ऑडिटोरियमान आसतले आनी 2,000 लोक हे लॉनाचेर डायरेक्ट हे पळयतले लायव्ह स्क्रीन घालून अशें तांकां बरोवन दिलां थंय पयलीं. म्हणजे हेजो अर्थ भितर 3,000 तिकेट्यो छापपाची हे तयारी ताणें पयलींच केल्ली. सो इट इज क्लियरली अ चिटींग ऑन द पार्ट ऑफ द ऑर्गनायझर्स. चिटींग ऑफ नॉट ओन्ली ऑफ कला अकॅडमी बट इनोसंट पीपल. Innocent art lovers. who had come to hear Asha Bhosle live that day. म्हणजे ताणी बरिल्लें सिक्युरिटी डिपॉझिट हांवें फोरफीट करपाक सांगलां. डोंट रिटर्न इट म्हणून. ज्या पद्दतीन ह्या संपूर्ण कार्यक्रमाची पळय तिकीट विक्री जाल्या, टिकेट्स वर नॉट सोल्ड एट अ चीप रेट. जेन्ना आमी इतल्या प्रमाणान टिकेट दवरता तेन्ना म्हणजे हांगा सुद्दां बऱ्यांतलो बरो प्रोग्राम जाल्यार 150-200 रुपया टिकेट आसता एअर कंडिशन तातूंत. भायर जेन्ना आमी इतलो व्हडलो प्रोग्राम जाता तेन्ना निदान प्रेक्षकांक किमान कम्फर्ट मेळपा जाय, इतली तरी वेवस्था ही करपा जाय न्ही. अक्षरशा कोंबून चिड्डून लोक बसले जाता. वयर मेळना, वयर सुद्दां खुर्च्यो घाल्ल्यो फाटल्यान. एक चिटींग केलें प्रोग्राम फक्त मराठी गाण्याचो अशेंय सांगूं ना. सो जे लोक आशा भोसले हिंदी गाणें आयकुपा आसले तेवूय फटवल्यार ते गाडी मारत गेले.
Meanwhile, when the chairman was asked about pending inquiry or action against the Kala Academy driver who was allegedly involved in the rape case, Wagh said that action will be carried out as per the law.
आमी सिन्स ही इज अवर स्टाफ, तेजेर कितें कारवाई करपाची आसा ती अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्वीस रुल्स ओनली वी विल प्रोसीड. सो वी विल गो स्ट्रिक्टली बाय दॅट. वी आर नॉट इंटरफियरिंग एनी वे विथ द पुलीस इन्क्वायरी.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.